Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to add a username on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on three horizontal lines, which are located at the upper left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the settings from the label. Click on username, which is under your phone number. You can see the text field here. Type the username you want. Remember, the username you provide should be available. Otherwise, you cannot add a username. Once you provide the username, click on the tick mark icon on the top right corner of the screen. And you will successfully add a username on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to add a username on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.